So in this video we are going to talk about how to really install Gtest in Ubuntu. And to install Gtest in Ubuntu we have to open terminal, and in terminal we have to write couple of lines to actually install the Gtest. To start with we have to write hashtags, explanatory mark, \bin \bash and hit enter. After that we have to write sudo sudo and then space apt hyphen get and space install, then the library name, which is lib gtest hyphen dev, and then we'll hit enter and enter the password. And after hitting entering the password, it will install and take some time. Then we'll write another command, which is sudo apt hyphen get install cmake, which will also install and take time. After that, what will happen is that the gtest will be installed, and then we'll have to run the gtest in order to see whether it is installed or not. So we'll go to this tutorial. We'll go to the directory where I have the test case, that is desktop, by cd desktop, and then going to that folder where it is present, that is tutorial. So I have changed the directory, and now I'm showing you that the test .cpp is the test case that we are going to run is present in the tutorial. And so I'm going to write the code through which we tested, that is g++ test.cpp and lg test hyphen lg test hyphen lp thread. That is how we let me correct the spellings, lp thread. And then we're going to write -o and test, or that is on our cell. We can write m or a depending upon how we want to, and then we have to write /a to run the test and hit enter to run the test. The names of the both should be the same, as we have kept a in both. And this is these are the results. And